Hey, what's up guys, this is Anropunk here and today I'll be reviewing the Bose Soundlink mini clone. So let's get started. Starting off with the looks and the build, the speaker is little heavy, but hey, you don't have to keep it in your hands the whole time. The speaker looks pretty decent and the Bose branding in the front looks pretty cool. Above the Bose branding is a screen which says blue when it has been connected to the Bluetooth. Moving on to the controls, there is the volume up and down button, a mute button and a mode button which allows you to choose between Bluetooth and the FM mode. There are two grips embedded below so you can keep them on any surface without any problems. Moving on to the back, you can use the aux cable, listen to the music, and also you can insert a SD card. You can also insert USB, and to the left is a charging port. If you charge it for 3 hours, you can use it for approximately 2 days without any problems and with medium voice. So let's move on to the sound test.